Why billionaires are leaving the West for Singapore. In a world reshaped by economic volatility, changing tax laws, geopolitical tensions, and the pursuit of stability, a remarkable shift is underway. The ultra-wealthy are rethinking their homes and financial bases like never before. Gone are the days when New York, London, or Zurich were the unquestioned centers of global billionaire life. Instead, a rising star in the East is quietly attracting the world's richest, Singapore. As billionaires reassess where to safeguard their fortunes, raise families, expand businesses, and preserve legacies, the Lion City has become a symbol of security, opportunity, and strategic advantage, drawing innovators, investors, and family offices from every corner of the globe. In this video-ready exploration, we'll unpack the reasons behind this seismic wealth shift and why Singapore now tops the list for billionaire relocation decisions. From tax incentives to political neutrality, excellent infrastructure to quality of life, this trend signals much more than preference. It heralds a transformation in global financial geography. If you want to understand how global wealth is moving and what that means for the future, you're in the right place. And hey, if you're here for deep insights like this, make sure to subscribe for more updates and explanations that matter. A shift in the global wealth landscape. Over the past decade, the wealthy have become increasingly mobile, with world-class citizens no longer bound by place of birth or traditional economic centers. Data from wealth migration reports shows that high-net-worth individuals and billionaires are frequently moving across borders, with major flows from Western Europe and even North America toward more stable or financially favorable destinations, especially the UK. Are experiencing significant outflows as affluent individuals seek better environments for their assets and families. The Business Times. This trend is part of a broader global realignment of wealth, where the super-rich prioritize next-generation planning and cross-border financial diversification. While cities like London and New York remain culturally influential, shifts in tax regimes, political uncertainty, and quality-of-life concerns have made these cities less attractive as permanent residences for ultra-high-net-worth individuals. Singapore's strategic advantage: safety, stability, and governance. Singapore's reputation for political stability, strict rule of law, and low corruption makes it extremely attractive to wealthy individuals who want certainty. Unlike many Western countries facing polarized politics, unpredictable regulatory changes, and rising social tensions, Singapore offers a predictable environment in which contracts are upheld, property rights are protected, and long-term wealth can be planned with confidence. For billionaires whose wealth spans generations, political stability is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Singapore's governance model gives affluent families peace of mind that their businesses and assets will be treated fairly, unlike Western jurisdictions where shifting policies can unexpectedly impact investment outcomes. World-class financial infrastructure and family offices. Singapore has developed into a global wealth management powerhouse, with sophisticated banking systems, professional services, and highly developed legal frameworks tailored to multimillion and billionaire needs. In recent years, there has been a boom in family offices, private wealth vehicles used by ultra-rich families to manage estate, invest, and structure global assets. These family offices offer bespoke financial strategies, risk management, and opportunities that are difficult to replicate elsewhere. Many Western countries do provide financial services, but Singapore's blend of innovation plus tailored services plus regulatory clarity has created a magnet for global wealth preservation and expansion. Access to Asia's booming markets. Positioned at the crossroads of East and West, Singapore offers unparalleled access to high-growth Asian markets. While Western economies like the US and Europe have slower growth prospects, Asia, including China, India, and Southeast Asia, continues to grow rapidly. Singapore serves as an ideal base for billionaires seeking to capture emerging market opportunities, whether through venture capital, private equity, technology startups, or regional expansion. This strategic geographic advantage attracts a diverse set of global investors who want proximity to growth without the regulatory risk and complexity often associated with establishing operations directly in emerging economies. Quality of life: a balanced and safe urban experience. Wealth alone doesn't dictate relocation, quality of life does. Singapore frequently ranks among the world's best cities for safety, cleanliness, healthcare quality, schooling, and urban livability. Compared to many Western cities struggling with crime rates, traffic, and aging infrastructure, Singapore offers a well-planned urban experience that appeals to both families and entrepreneurs alike. For billionaire families, access to top-tier education, world-class medical facilities, and a cosmopolitan yet secure environment plays a significant role in choosing a long-term home. Political neutrality and global positioning. Global tension between major powers, particularly between the US and China, has made political neutrality an asset. Singapore's diplomatic positioning as a neutral actor with strong ties across continents makes it ideal for billionaires whose interests cross borders. Instead of aligning with one geopolitical bloc, wealth holders can operate freely and maintain international partnerships without undue interference. This neutrality is particularly attractive for wealthy individuals from countries with strained relations with the West, as Singapore provides a stable hub for global activity without the geopolitical baggage associated with Western capitals. Challenges and criticisms of wealth influx. It's important to note that Singapore's growing wealthy population also brings challenges: rising property costs, social inequality, and debates around local identity versus global elite influence. While billionaires bring capital, jobs, and innovation, they also contribute to housing market pressure and rising luxury consumption, which can widen socioeconomic divides. These tensions are similar to issues seen in major Western cities, but Singapore's unique demographic and governance structure means the approach to managing these pressures is crucial to long-term social stability. Conclusion: a new era of global wealth hubs. The movement of billionaires from the West to Singapore is not a fad, it's a structural shift driven by tax environments, political stability, strategic access to growth, and quality of life. As Western nations reassess their fiscal and regulatory landscapes, Singapore's position as a global wealth hub becomes ever more pronounced. From tailored financial infrastructure and booming family offices to quality urban living and political neutrality, Singapore embodies the attributes today's ultra-wealthy seek in a permanent home. While the influx of global capital presents challenges, it also signals Singapore's enduring role as a bridge between East and West. A dynamic crossroads where billionaires choose to preserve, expand, and enjoy their wealth. Whether you're watching this for investment insight, global economic trends, or future business strategy, the story of billionaire migration is a fascinating glimpse into how the future of global wealth is being rewritten one passport at a time.